Hey, Mad Money fans, check the bottom of your screen for an exclusive offer. Next.
Before we get back to our normal program, there's something really exciting that I want to share with you today. The reason it's so special is because it's just for you, our Mad Money viewers. You always hear me talk about the work I do for the special community that is the CNBC Investing Club. Now, look, for only one more week, I'm going to share a little taste of the work that I do with Jeff Marks during the day. Let me give you an example of what you can get, okay? Earlier in our morning meeting, which is exclusive to subscribers every day, 10:20 a.m., streaming, we spoke about Club holding Starbucks. As fears are mounting regarding the coffee chain's future in China with local competition heating up, we got a positive announcement in a brand new Coffee Innovation Center. It was totally overlooked. It was the first of its kind for the company that will vertically integrate the company in China, producing everything from bean to cup. I think the concerns about China and Starbucks are overblown, and I think you should be buying Starbucks here. That's why I shared that information with you, and you didn't get it anywhere else. I'm going to cover this in more detail right after the lightning round. I think the stuff that we're doing is so pertinent, so important, so educational that you make it into a much better investor. And I think you should just join the club and get more insights just like this. That's why CNBC is giving you an exclusive offer available to only the Mad Money viewers. So grab your phone, open your camera, and point it at the QR code, or go to cnbc.com/Jim offer. Sign up now, and you're going to get a lot more insights like this. I'm telling you, it's the real deal. And now it is time. It is time for the lightning round on Cramer's Mad Money. That's what I can for nobody saying. I'm attacked with the just because it caused my stock to play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round on Cramer's Mad Money. Let's start with Frank in New York.
Jim.
Frank.
Jimmy Chill. Frank.
She'll be here. What's up?
How are you, Jim? The one thing you have lots of is that integrity. And I hope we all appreciate it, us home gamers, okay?
Thank you. You got to own it.
Hey,
you got to own it. What's up?
You mentioned this stock Confluent 2 months or so, give or take, you know? And it was in the high 30s, I don't know, 37, 38, whatever. And today it fell below 30. Is this something that I should hold or sell or buy more of?
Well, you know, it's such a good company. You got to buy it in scale because it's not making any money yet. But they are the central nervous system companies, and I think that they are some of the best. It's some of the best enterprise software in the world. So beware, it can still go down, but I do like it very, very much. I want to go to Adam in Illinois. Adam.
Hey, Jim. Booyah from a grateful club member. I have a question about, let's talk cosmetics. I found Estee Lauder to be too rich for my blood, so I'm trying to play the Chinese appetite for cosmetics. I wound up with Coty. What do you think?
Coty had a good quarter. I got to hand it to him. I mean, a lot of people wrote these guys off. They are coming back, so I'm not against it. I'm not against it at all. Let's go to Stacy in Georgia. Stacy.
Dr. Cramer, I'm ailing. Help me.
What's the matter?
Well, given the recent earnings and today's investigation news, what are your short and long-term thoughts on IoT, Samsara?
I had them all. You know, this is one that Moffett Nathanson writes about. That's why I know it. At that guy Jacksonator, he's a real smart guy, and I think it's real good. You know, it's again enterprise software, and those stocks have fallen out of favor after being in favor for about 4 weeks. It is a little expensive. But it is very good enterprise software. What can I say? And he does good work. That guy does quality work. Let's go to Jeremy in Arizona. Jeremy.
Hey, Jim. Love your show. First-time caller here.
Excellent.
I know you got asked this last week when it was at $22 a share, but Chewy is now trading just shy of $17 a share.
I cannot believe this thing. It's like that people decide, you know what, we don't want any pets. I was just looking at Teddy, a third dog maybe. But you know what? People are buying all that stuff on Amazon, and that's the problem. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Coming up, will China decaffeinate Starbucks in the PRC? Cramer makes the case for a Vente future. Coffee wars and more. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.